Okay, today I am at the Port of Catoosa, which is a place I don't go to very often, and they have this ship here on display that I thought I'd check out, called the Charlie Border. And I guess this is a tugboat of sorts. They had a little museum here, but it's I guess it's permanently closed. They had a few things in this building, but there's a sign on it that says no longer open to the public, so it's kind of a bummer. But I can still check out the rest of this rather interesting boat. I've never seen a tugboat up close. It's kind of interesting, little staircases going up. Let's see here. Is this open? Looks like it's open. No, it's not open. Well, bummer. Let's see if I can get a shot of something inside there. I don't know if you'll be able to see anything, but